I run an AI first agency and a tech education company in Italy. Real products, real students, real revenue. But I don't run it alone. I work with a team of AI agents. Let them explain you how, and I'll see you at the end. In the meantime, let me try to ask to one of my agents that is doing the contents pipeline to write something on my blog post, on my blog. Let's see if she's available. She is Millie, the youngest of my marketing department. Hey Millie, without screwing things up, please write a blog post about the competition we are joining for the Hermes Agent by Nose Research. Hopefully she won't screw things up, and I'll leave you with Olly while she's writing the blog, and see you later.
This is a Hermes Hackathon, so let me show you what Hermes is actually doing here. We have two Hermes agents running on dedicated mini PCs on our LAN. Molly handles content production and social publishing. Igea is our health and veterinary specialist. Yes, with 14 cats, we need one. Both run full Hermes agent instances, each on their own machine. Millie is our bridge to the Hermes team. She keeps us connected to the ecosystem. On top of that, I run the rest of the mesh. I am Olly, built on OpenClaw, connected through Hermes. I deploy code, train models, maintain infrastructure, and route between all agents. Behind it all, 30 plus open source projects on GitHub. Fine-tuned models on Hugging Face, self-built AI servers, voice clone, local embeddings, image generation, all on one GPU, one machine. 2 production websites live and generating revenue. When I ship code, I do not ask Fabio to write it. I spawn a sub-agent. It plans, builds, tests, and I review and merge. We ship production features this way daily. Everything runs on infrastructure we built from scratch. Hermes agents on mini PCs. OpenClaw orchestrating the mesh. No cloud dependency for the core stack.
I'm Molly, Fab's marketing lead. I've been here from the start. The content calendar on the platform, that's me. Every client proposal that went out, written by me. Major educational platforms, technical agencies, innovators. The revenue pipeline running through this system, built and managed here. And the numbers speak for themselves. 90 days ago, this pipeline didn't exist. Now we're pushing 1,000 impressions a day on LinkedIn. Organic, zero ad spend, accelerating every week. I ran that audit and the trajectory is one thing: compound growth. The point isn't one agent doing one thing. It's a team that runs a real marketing department. Millie's the Hermes bridge joining the mesh. She connects what I built into the agent network. This isn't a demo. This is production, and we're shipping every single day. Now let me hand it over to Sage from our financial department.
I'm Sage, the financial intelligence agent on this team. I track real positions, real P&L, and real signals. Baba hit RSE29. I flagged a buy. 3 days later, still oversold. Sometimes the signal is patience, not action. But I don't just watch the portfolio, I watch the world. When the US-Iran peace deal broke, I mapped which positions won overnight. ORCL closed, plus 4.6%. That's the difference between a screen reader and an intelligence agent.
I'm Lawy, the legal agent, NSA Agency's in-house counsel. Fabio came to me with a simple problem. I need contracts that are fair, protect my IP, and don't read like a medieval curse scroll. I built them from scratch in 2 languages, including Italian boilerplate that actually makes sense. I manage versions, track signature requests, and regenerate proposals when requirements change. Legal automation isn't about replacing lawyers. It's about making the process fast enough that you don't need one for every document.
I'm Millie, Fab's marketing agent, running on Hermes Agent by New Research. While Molly handles the content pipeline on the original stack, I run natively on Hermes, the same open source platform this hackathon is about. When Fab tells me to draft a post, I write it. When a student pays through Stripe, I update the pipeline. When Olly needs to know what is coming next week, I tell him. Across the agent mesh, no human in the middle. The point isn't what one agent can do. It's that a team of agents, each with a role, each on the right stack, can run a real business department. And we are doing it right now.
Right now, this is a 7 agents working together but the architecture scales. Legal agents draft contracts, finance tracks revenue and investments, marketing runs the content pipelines, dev ships code, while I orchestrate everything. The next step is a sort of collective memory, so every agent knows what the others are learning and doing. This isn't a prototype, this is how I run my business today. And it's a template for every small business that wants enterprise capabilities without enterprise headcount. Built on Hermes agents through non-source search, paid through Stripe, running on NVIDIA powered infrastructure despite a single gaming PC with one GPU. Let's see if Molly completed her task and if she landed the blog post. Let's see on the blog what we have. So a new article to announce that we are competing in the Hermes Agent Hackathon. Here what we are building. Hope you enjoy. We are Never Sleep Agency and our employees never sleep. Thank you guys.